I went to CVS. I went to CVS. Yes. Yes. I went to CVS. Now listen, y'all. Let me adjust this because I'm too orange. Hold on. That's more like it, I guess. All right, y'all. I went to CVS. I sure did. I got to CVS. I'm so excited. So today's haul was a little bit better than last week's haul. Last week wasn't really on nothing, but today is a little bit of a great haul. You know, I'm gonna say it was just an okay haul. You know, I got a little something. But before I get started with my CVS haul, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you already know it's gonna be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I show you how to blow coupons and not money, honey. Yes. All right, let's get started with this CVS haul. Okay, so today I was rolling Extrcare bucks because ain't nobody got time to be paying no money out of pocket. So I rolled Extrcare bucks the whole transaction. So my first transaction, I did the Shea Moisture the Shea Moisture deal. The Shea Moisture deal is buy one, get one half off. And then if you buy two, you're going to get a $4 Extrcare buck. So buy two, get a $4 Extrcare buck. Buy one, get one half off. So on Savvy Coupon Shopper, she said that this moisturizing shampoo is included for the men. This is the cheapest Shea Moisture product. So if y'all can't find this, I feel sorry for you because everything in Shea Moisture is really high. So these are $8.99. Let me make sure. These are $8.99, and this one was $4.50. So $8.99, $4.50. Then I picked up the Covergirl. The Covergirl is buy three, get a $10 Extrcare buck. I picked up 3 of them. This is the cheapest product for Covergirl. I picked up 3 of them. And y'all, I tried to use my coupon. So then my coupon expired. For the Covergirl coupon expired on yesterday. I tried to use it, and even though the register was rejecting it, the manager was able to scan it with his like little scan gun. I don't know how he did it, but he scanned it with a scan gun and it went through when he scanned it for me. Like, instead of him like putting it in manually, he scanned the coupon with his little, I don't know, his little device or whatever, the little phone that they walk around with. I don't know what it's called, but he scanned the coupon with that and it took the coupon right off. So if you have those coupons that expired 9/23, you should still be able to use them. I'm not saying they didn't scan, but just try them. I don't know, just try them. But mine's, I had 2 of them left, so I used those 2. So it took $4 off. These are $5.79 in my store. $5.79. So my total came out to like $17 for all 3. I used 2 $2 coupons. It took $4 off, making my out of pocket $13. Then I had the $3 CVS coupon that everybody got today. It took another $3 off, making my out of pocket $10 and some change. And then I got $10 back, making these free. So if you got that coupon, use those coupons because they work. All right, so, okay, so let me show y'all my receipt. So these are my Covergirl, my Shea Moisture, and then here are all my coupons that came out, my 2 $4 coupons, my 2 $2 coupons. My Shea Moisture is not 6 off 2, it's 5 off 2. The digital is 5 off 2, because I seen somebody say it was 6 off 2. The $3 for the Covergirl, which is right there. I use my $10 Care Pass, and then I had like 38 cents and 27 cents and percentage back in Extrcare bucks, making my out of pocket $8.20. I paid that. I had $3 and some change on a money card, and then I paid the rest in cash, which was $6.74. And then I got back $14 in Extrcare bucks. I got back $10 for the Covergirl, and then I got back $4 for the Shea Moisture. So I rolled that $14 into my next transaction. Okay, then the next transaction I got was the Scott the Scott tissue. Listen, baby, we needed some paper. We needed some Scott tissue real bad. We was wiping our tushes with paper towels, baby. I'm so glad Scott tissue went on sale this week. So the Scott tissue deal is buy 2, get a $5 Extrcare buck back. These are on sale for $10.49. So I got 2 of them, making my out of pocket $21. Make my out of pocket $21. I didn't have no coupons. I'm so sad I didn't have no coupons. So $21. And then I have my $10 Extrcare buck and my I had my $14 in Extrcare bucks for my previous transaction that I applied. I had to pay $6.98 out of pocket. And then I got my $5 Extrcare buck back for the paper deal. So $6.98 out of pocket, and then I got $5 back in Extrcare buck, making my out of pocket $2 or $1 per pack of Scott tissue. Then I took that $5 Extrcare buck. I took that $5 Extrcare buck and I did the whole blends deal. Now the whole blend deal is buy 2, get a $3 Extrcare buck. So these are on sale 2 for $8. 2 for $8. I had a 2 off 2 digital. I had a 2 off 2 digital. So they took it down to $6. And then I used my $5 Extrcare buck for my previous transaction because I'm rolling Extrcare bucks back, baby, today. So I took my $5 Extrcare bucks. I took my $5 Extrcare buck back, applied it towards the $6 I owed, $1 out of pocket, and then I got my $3 Extrcare buck. I got my $3 Extrcare buck, making these free. I took that Extrcare buck and I put it up for next week, yes. Now on my other account, okay, so that was it for those transactions. I left with a $3 Extrcare buck for that transaction. Now, so that was it for that card. On my second card, I did a couple of transactions also. I did the Covergirl transaction again. It's the same thing. Buy 3, get a $10 Extrcare buck. I didn't have any coupons. No more Covergirl coupons, which I shouldn't even did this deal because I ain't had no more Covergirl coupons, but it is what it is. So 3 of them. My total came out to be, I don't know how much, 17 something. I had used my $3 CVS coupon that everybody got today. And then I used my $5 Extrcare buck that I had from last week. I used it on this. So my total out of pocket was $9.37. I paid that out of pocket. And then I got a $10 Extrcare buck, making my out of pocket, making it free. So my out of pocket was $9.37. I paid that, and then I got back a $10 Extrcare buck for the Covergirl. I took that $10 Extrcare buck. Okay, then I took that $10 Extrcare buck and I wrote it into my next transaction. Now, since this is my second card, I was able to do the toilet paper deal twice. I love these Cottonelle wipes. So these are on sale 2 for $10, which is a great deal. It comes with 42 in a pack, so I bought 4 of them. I bought 4 of them, another 2 over there. So $20 is my out of pocket. I didn't have any coupons. I used my $10 Extrcare buck, making my out of pocket $10. I paid that, and then I got $5 out of pocket. Now, I really just got that because they never gonna sell. They never gonna sell. So basically, that's like $5 per pack. Those don't never gonna sell. So I just end up getting them. Like I said, I paid $10 out of pocket, and then I got back a $5 Extrcare buck, making my out of pocket for all 4 of them $5. Then I took that $5 and I wrote it into my next transaction. So I did the Cetaphil deal. Cetaphil is spend 20, get a $5 Extrcare buck. These are on sale for $10.79. This is the cheapest one I've seen. I don't know. This is the cheapest one I've seen. So I bought 2 of them. $10.79 times 2 is $21.60. Yeah, $21.60. In our inserts that we received today, it's a $6 off 2 coupon. So it took $6 off, making my out of pocket $16. Make my out of pocket $16. Then I used my $5 coupon, my $5 Extrcare buck for my previous transaction, 19 cents and 64 cents in percentage back Extrcare bucks, making my out of pocket $9.75. I paid that out of pocket, and then I got back $5 in an Extrcare buck, making my out of pocket $4.75. And then Ibotta, these attached to the Ibotta rebate. If you don't have Ibotta, make sure you sign up for Ibotta. The link is in the description box. Sign up and you can get free money on Ibotta when you first sign up. Ibotta is giving back $2.25 per bottle. So I paid $4.75 out of $4.75. Ibotta gave me back $2.50. Yeah, Ibotta gave me back $4.50, making my final out of pocket for the Cetaphil quarter for both bottles. That's it with my haul. I left CVS with a $5 Extrcare buck from one account and a $3 Extrcare buck from another account for me to use next week. And those are my CVS deals. I hope everybody enjoy. Let me know what I missed from my CVS or whatever you picked up that I might have missed that was a great deal at CVS. Let me know what you got. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe is blowing coupons, and I'm out.